How to see your Lyft lifetime ride stats. First of all, launch the Lyft application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is tap on your account tab or profile icon on the bottom right. From here, scroll downwards until you find this settings option or panel over here. Go ahead and tap on this and scroll downwards once again, and you should be able to find this privacy option. Once you open it, you should be able to find download your data option over here if you have previously booked a ride. However, I have not yet booked any rides from the Lyft application, so that function or that feature is not yet available in my account. So once you find it, all you have to do is tap on it, then proceed to verify your identity by entering your account password and the two-step text verification code sent to your phone. Then tap request data archive option. Then within a few days, Lyft will email you a downloadable zip file. Open the spreadsheet labeled rides.csv to see your total row count. That is how you can see your Lyft lifetime ride. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.